Hello everyone, so I'm just making this quick video to let you all know about the huge deals you can get on Blender products during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales this year in 2024. So the Blender market is having a huge sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. From November 29th through December 3rd, you can get 30% off thousands of products, and all of my products on Blender Market are going to be 30% off. So some highlighted products I wanted to mention are my Ultimate Procedural Material Pack, where you can get all of my procedural materials preset up for Blender's asset browser with custom thumbnails, sorted catalogs, and customizable node groups. And you'll also get updates with new procedural materials. You can also check out my Furniture and Home Asset Pack, which comes with 250 furniture and home 3D models preset up for Blender's asset browser, so you can quickly just drag and drop the models into a 3D scene. Also my Sci-Fi Construction Robot tutorial series. So in that tutorial series, we go through the complete process of creating this sci-fi robot animation. Also my customizable Christmas lights created with geometry nodes, and you can use that geometry node setup to place Christmas lights in your Christmas and holiday scenes. And also check out my Christmas Ornaments asset pack, which comes with 160 Christmas ornament 3D models so you can decorate your Christmas scenes. Now I'm also an affiliate to some Blender products, so if you do texture baking in Blender, then I can highly recommend Auto Bake, Oven, and Quick Baker. Those are some amazing Blender add-ons for doing texture baking, and I do have review videos on my YouTube channel where I review those different add-ons, so you can definitely check those out if you're interested. You can also check out Decal Master. It's an amazing Blender add-on for quickly adding decals to your models. You can also check out Simply Micro Mesh, a really great Blender add-on for adding micro meshes like cloth or chainmail. Also, if you're looking for some add-ons for environment lighting, then definitely check out Pro Atmo and Physical Starlight and Atmosphere, some great Blender add-ons for adding realistic backgrounds and sky environments. Now CG Boost is also having a huge Black Friday sale, and you can get 30% off the selected courses. So you can use the code BF24 to get 30% off on checkout. And the CG Boost sales will be going through December 2nd. And I've reviewed all of these courses myself, and I can highly recommend them. They're really high quality courses. And I do have affiliate links in the description, so if you purchase through my links, then I'll earn a small commission. So I hope you enjoy the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, and thanks for watching.